Oh yeah, come on! Oh, hi! Come here, I want to show you something. I was just making some of my creamy white sauce. Let's take a look. Oh, it sure does take a good mixing, but look how smooth and creamy it is. You can use it as a creamy pasta sauce for lasagnas, nacho cheese, melty pizza cheese. You can even make it into custard. This creamy white sauce is so quick to make, I myself can do it in just under 2 minutes. Maybe that's why my girlfriend left me. Alright, this whole thing can be done in the microwave. It's really good for quick single serving meals, which is great for vegans because no one ever wants to eat with us. You basically just need non-dairy butter, flour and milk, and then you flavour it from there, dum-de-dum-de-dum. So you can use a mug or a glass, but it helps to have a handle because the mug does get pretty hot. We start off with 1 tablespoon of plain flour. We need to get rid of any lumps, so give it a shake, grab a fork and give it a good stir. Very good. Grab your butter. We need 1 and 2 tablespoons, and then I'm using soya milk, 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons. Lovely. Now grab the mug and your fork and mix just to get the flour incorporated. It's going to look a bit weird, but don't worry about that. Being weird is okay. That goes into the microwave for 30 seconds. My microwave is analog. That's why I'm using a kitchen timer here. Okay, get them out and there we go, butter is melted. Alright, time to mix it. Now we're trying to get rid of all the lumps and get it as smooth as possible, so you got to give it a really good mix with a fork. Hey, not too bad. Get it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. Right, this next bit is important. See those little bubbles there? That means that the mixture has reached boiling point. If it doesn't reach boiling point, microwave it until it has, otherwise the bitter taste of the flour won't cook out and it'll be yucky. Okay, mix, get all those lumps out. Oh, until it's as smooth as possible. Oh, this is good practice for being single, I suppose. Right, now we've got to add a little bit more milk just to thin it out a little. Very nice. Give it a quick mix, and then back in the microwave for the final 30 seconds. Or at least until it's nice and hot. Alright, can you guess what comes next? Mix, get it nice and smooth. Okay, finished. There it is. Thick, smooth and creamy. And that's our basic white sauce, or bechamel if you want to sound all fancy. And you can do loads from this point. I'm just going to add a little salt, some herbs, some garlic powder, some pepper. Mix. Yummy yummersons. I'm just going to throw this in with some cooked pasta and sauteed veggies. Give it a good stir to coat everything. Oh yeah, that looks good. Good. Serve it up, make it look pretty. A little bit of vegan parmesan. I'm adding some parsley and ta-da! A quick and creamy pasta dish. Bloody lovely. Sorry, Italy. Okay, another option. So you make the white sauce, right? Add some nutmeg, there it is, a pinch of salt. And that's quite a simple version of the bechamel sauce that you sometimes find in a lasagna. Hey, where's the lasagna? Oh, that's right, I couldn't be bothered to make one. I guess I'll just add one in post-production. There we go, don't tell anyone, no one will ever know the difference. Sorry, Italy. Hey, have you ever had any trouble trying to melt vegan cheese? Well, try this. Exactly the same as before, we gotta add the flour, the non-dairy butter, and the milk, but this time we're gonna add some finely grated vegan cheese. Cheese. 20 grams should be fine. Very good, that goes into the microwave for 30 seconds and then bring it back. Yep, that's melted enough. Back into the microwave again. Okay, we got the bubbles, so the floury taste should have been cooked out. Add a bit more milk and then some more of that vegan cheese. Oh, hang on, I don't think my cup is big enough for this.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
I think a boat might be a little bit excessive, Roy, but thank you very much for your input. I think I'll just use this jar here. Back into the microwave for the last 30 seconds or until the cheese has melted. Okay, perfect. Cheese sauce. You know, I bet you could probably get away with just melting grated cheese and milk together for a similar effect. Anyway, I'm gonna add some salt and some chili powder. Mix. Hey, what do you call cheese that doesn't belong to you? Nacho cheese. Ha. I stole that joke. Such a cheesy joke, isn't it? Ha, get it? Cheesy. A few spring onions there and some chilies, which I will certainly be removing before I eat this. There we are, a nice little bowl of cheesy nachos. I think it looks pretty good. Sorry, Mexico. I sometimes find that vegan cheese goes a bit crispy in the oven, so you could try pouring some of your cheesy sauce over a cooked pizza. That's my pepperoni there. Check out my video for that if you like. Okay, so I think this is what a pizza would look like if Jackson Pollock designed it. Cut. Season to taste. I'm just doing a little bit of cracked pepper. Yep, that works for me. Right, let's give it a try. Yum. Yep, that's pretty good. Here's a close-up, but I can't think of anything interesting to say, so let's just move on to dessert. You just gotta make your basic white sauce, right? I'm trying out this funny little whisk this time, but honestly, a fork works just as well, so either or, that's fine. I probably should have mentioned that I'm making custard, shouldn't I? So yeah, we just gotta get some sweetness in there. And then just a tiny bit of vanilla essence. Alright, so that's custard in 2 minutes. Not too bad, eh? Here's a sticky date pudding I made. I stole the recipe from someone else. But hey, let me know if you'd like a video of it. At first I thought it was a bit weird to make this sauce into custard, but the ingredients aren't too dissimilar, and trust me, it works really well. Alright, pastas and pizzas and cheese sauce and custard in just 2 minutes. Have I just made a mini revolution in vegan cooking? Maybe. Hardly surprising though. I mean, I am a highly intelligent and very sophisticated young gentleman.
Come on!